was thankful that I found Vena, or Vena found me. Noble Investment Group is a private equity REIT, real estate investment trust. We have 3 active funds right now. We're in the fund business, so we will raise a fund, deploy the capital, realize the assets, raise a new fund. We've got close to 200 hotels right now and growing. Last fund, Fund 5, was about $1 billion. Next fund is expected to be in that same range. My role sits at the intersection of fund performance, investor communication, and strategic decision-making. We are kind of the central hub of all the company's data. Well, prior to our Vena journey, we had just an Excel file for every hotel and then multiple files that would roll those up into funds. Once we raised Fund 5, and we know we're going to deploy $1 billion, which is almost $3 billion in assets, and once you leverage it, that doubles any hotel count that I had been involved in. And I started thinking about how long it takes to do my month-end close in Excel. Maybe we had 40 hotels at that time. And then I start multiplying that because the process that we have is not scalable at all. Once we raised Fund 5, I was like, we have to go figure something out. One of the huge benefits with Vena is just kind of trust, and that trust builds confidence, and that allows us to be very quick and agile. We're probably saving about 4 days each month for the close period and then a day on the forecast. So 5 days of measurable recurring time. That doesn't include all the ad hoc requests where we can just pull it instead of and not worry about the long tie out or any of that. We're actually able to do our job now and not falling behind every month. So this is the third time actually that I've looked for an FP&A solution. Ease of implementation was a must for me just because I had a defined tight timeline where I had to go live in order to do my job. Ease of use, I want the whole company to use this, not just me. I want the investment team or asset management team be able to access this data and use it how they want to. Everybody knows Excel, but if it's something else and they have to learn something new in order to get the information, they're not going to. Speed is critical in a lot of cases. A potential investor may have a long list of questions about our company and our performance, and they may want it by Friday. And so you just have to do it. The difficulty that always came up was confidence in the numbers. We've got a million different links. Being able to understand, is this number right, was always kind of in the back of my head. The CEO just wanted to know, Q1, what did our Fund 5 do? We pulled together in minutes, probably a stack of very positive metrics. And we were able to do that because we knew the numbers were right, because Vena linked directly to Yardi, our accounting system, and everything just flows through and works seamlessly. I was thankful that I found Vena, or Vena found me, so that all this kind of came through in a nice package, everything I needed.